Hello, Glamour Moments. Welcome to Chicago. So let's walk. So may fog show. It's gonna rain tonight. So I'm gonna do a quick tour of the city before I head home. So I went to the Westin Hotel for a conference, and now I'm gonna walk and explore downtown today. Ganda. So I'm here at the corner of Walker Drive and Dearborn. And this is the bridge. This is the river. We're going to the next bridge sa State Street. Then walakad tayo to Magnificent Mile. I'm just gonna check out the mall and then gonna head home. Malamig at hangin. So I'm already wearing my hoodie, my jacket, and my beanie. Ayan. Kanina hindi ko suot eh. Ngayon nilalamig na ako. Ayan. So, mga building. Ayan. So, walk tayo doon. Hindi na ako bababa sa Riverwalk. Malamig. So, dito na tayo sa street. Manabe. Robert Morris, George Washington, and Hay Solomon. Doon tayo sa kabila. So medyo malamig. So few people walking. Kasi lunchtime, so yung iba walking. And there's a big bus tour. Gusto mong magpaikot-ikot dito sa Chicago. Oh, this is a new hotel. I think so. Tayo tumawid. We need to look both sides. Pero parang ang ganda bumaba. May mga nagpi-picture taking. So this is Vietnam Veterans Memorial. This is Walker and Wabash Drive. Doon pa pala ako sa kabila. So, lakad pa. So this close nga palang State Street. So dun tayo sa kabilang side maglalakad. Yan, this is the Tribune, Chicago Tribune and Wrigley Building. On opposite side, maglalakad tayo over there. May mga boat tour. So sa Saturday, this river we're gonna turn green for the St. Patrick's Day. Try namin pumunta. We'll see. We'll check the weather first before heading here. Kasi it's freezing. Here you go. More close up. Medyo mabilisan lang tayo Lalakad pa tayo sa entire stretch of Magnificent Mile. So this is the London House Hotel. Very historic. They're gonna open a Hello Kitty cafe here on the other side soon. I can't wait. And then may mga establishment na rin on the other side. Starbucks, Crumble Cookie, Fannie Mae, and the Black Hawk stores. So, see, London House. So, may mga event dyan sa rooftop. May mga party. Walk more. Then a little close up. Here we are. There, I don't want to comment, but this is a funny guy taking photo of something else. So there's like a storytelling about the buildings you may see. So that's the one speaking. So I think it's an hour and 45 minutes to go around this river. It's called Architecture Tour. We tried that last time. It was good. It's a different. We came in from the Navy Pier. This one is you came down here to learn something about the historical buildings of Chicago. So dun sa side na yun, dun yung Hello Kitty Cafe. The other side, this is going to Magnificent Mile. Dito tayo sa opposite side. Come with me. May labubong. So, Chicago River. We'll stay on this left side kasi dito yung mga pupuntahan ko. Hindi na ako tatawid. Ooh. Okay. So, meron ding water taxi dito. Hindi ko pa siya natatry, pero pag summer siguro. It's cheaper than taking bus or train. Then you go to the other side of the river. Yan, other side of the street is the Apple Store. Yung bubong niya is yung takip ng MacBook. Kaya kailangan nandun ka sa taas para makita mo yung ibabaw niya. Sarap sanang tumingin ng phone. We are here at the Michigan Avenue. So lakad tayo doon. Uy, may ulta. I'm gonna claim my freebie because it's my birthday on Saturday. Sige, puntahan na natin. I have to buy something else. Ay, nawala na yung nagpiprint nung yung guy. So, this is called the Plaza of the Americas. Yan. Marami na akong pictures niyan. Walk lang tayo ng konti. Oh, may lumalnatis din dito. Yan. May statue din. Si Benito Juarez, the first indigenous president of Mexico. So, yun siya. Alright, I already went to Ulta. I got my birthday gift. I'll share it later when I get inside the mall. So, over here, yan. So, State Street yan, alam ko. This is the Gwen Hotel. This mall is connecting by the hotel too. Nasaan yung Garrett? Ah, sa kabilang side. So, I'm gonna take home some popcorn too later before I go home. So, this one is Intercontinental Hotel. Nabubulol ako. And that one is the restaurant, Michael Jordan Steakhouse. Alamig eh. Hindi na makasalita. So, here, you can walk downstairs. You wanna take the trolley going to Navy Pier. Hindi ko alam kung still working, no? Medyo sketchy downstairs. I don't wanna go there. So, eto na. Yeah, that sound is normal. So, for emergency or police. So, may Starbucks on the other side. Some bus. Dito lang tayo. Pasok tayo sa mall. Magla-lunch na rin ako, then uwi na rin ako. We have a storm tonight. So may Pandora on the other side and some restaurants, Italian ata. Yan na. Pasok na tayo. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off para for privacy ng mga shoppers. Yan, just got here inside of Shops of North Bridge. Magnificent Mile. So wala naman tayong mabibili dito because mostly are designer. Super mahal. And imported. May titignan lang ako store. And then gonna go take my breakfast. Uy, may L'Occitane. Sayang. Naka-order na ako. Tagal ko na rin kasi hindi nakakapasok dito sa mall na to. So I don't know what else they have. Aside from Nordstrom. Oh, the Jellycat, the famous one, pinipilahan, is over here. Nice. It's more like custom stuffed toy. Parang ganun. Let's see. Let's go upstairs. Jellycat. Parang gusto ko ba na stop toy? So cute. Madami pa rin tao sa loob. So yun lang, mga teddy bear, stuffed toy. Ito custom mo lang. Yung iba ready-made na eh. So I'm still here at the mall and I'm gonna eat the Chicago dog. So here's the Chicago dog version. Yan. Napaka-colorful ng hotdog namin. Oh, nahulog pa yung... So aalisin ko naman yung iba dyan. And then may fries. So may meal naman pala. So let's eat. So yung 2D cafe na gusto kong puntahan, sarado pa yata. Or may event, kaya siya close. Sayang. Maybe next time. Fries. Ang harap ng fries nila. Malutong. So, ano ba yung Chicago dog? So, ano ba yung style siya? And we don't put ketchup, but binigyan nila ako ng ketchup on my hot dog. For the fries yung ketchup. But we don't put ketchup on this one. Awayin ka ng mga tala Chicago. Yan. Alisin ko yung mga pepper. Hindi ko yan gusto. Yan yan. May pickle din. Take a bite. Punta na lang tayo sa Italy. Dito sa kabilang street. Tapos uwi na tayo. Kasi doon ako sasakay pa uwi eh. Sarap. So yung flavor niya sama-sama sa hotdog. Dami nang bumibili. Buti nakabili ako. Ano oras? Sounds like 12:30 p.m. Lunchtime. Pag weekdays, tahimik tong lugar na to. Pag weekend, ang daming tao. So may nakita ko mga stores doon na pina-flash sa screen. May manga spot, may mga nail salon, may mga branded nga na luxury store. Tapos meron ding L'Occitane, our favorite. May Nordstrom dito. Doon sana ako kakain. Kaso, more of pasta na naman yun. Dami pang pasta sa bahay. Tapos may salad bar din dito. Bowlicious. Pang healthy. Tapos may Hello Panda. Panda Express. Tapos meron pang Chinese Lao Szechuan. Pang fine dining na Chinese restaurant. Magsa lang naman ako. So, yun. Dun sa seminar kanina is more of AI. How you gonna do your data using AI as a technology, no? So, marami kasing still we call Jurassic pa rin yung system. Yung super bagal, walang system, manual pa rin. So, yung Snowflake, they developed this technology. So, more of AI. If you're using Copilot, ChatGPT, or Gemini, similar to that. So more of heavy sila sa codes and pwedeng linisin yung code kasi yung kanina yung nagpe-present nagkaroon ng error dun sa code niya. So live niyan din na-demonstrate. At least na-troubleshoot agad nung AI niya kung ano yung mali. Galing, no? So I'm still wanted to learn some more about AI. So, hindi ko naman siya masyadong ginagawa everyday. Pero, I use AI as work. Pero hindi ako yung nagko-code. Kumbaga, I use the tool if I need something. For example, market data or I find something na sa email ko hindi ko mahanap. That's the use of those agents as well. An AI tool. Or pag may question ako hindi ko mahanap. If hindi ko mahanap sa Google, then I ask internal ba kung anong files ang meron sa email ko or ano yung huling response sa email ko or ano yung nangyari sa meeting pwede nila lang i-summarize. May event dun sa kabila, sana pwede ako gate crash. May event dun hindi ko alam. Susilip sana ako kung anong event na kaya lang may cortina tanayin ko sana. Tapos sa baba, yun nga, may Jellycat na store. Pinipilahan din yung stuff toy. So, madami naman ako stuff toy sa bahay. Hindi ko mag-get yun. Concept. So, yun. Kain na ako kung tapos ito na to. 12:30 na pala. I need to go home by before 3. Kailangan na sa bahay na ako kasi may storm kami later. So, kailangan mag-ingat. Tornado, hurricane, whatever. Ingat. Yun lang, kain na uli ako. Bye! So either bumalik tayo sa Michigan Avenue or dito na lang tayo sa gilid. Pero balik tayo dun. Oh, may prime truck. Where's my delivery? So may Marshalls din pala dun sa kabilang side. Ayan, Shake Shack. Uniqlo is coming back in Michigan Avenue. Yay! So, yung isang store sa State Street and isa sa Woodfield Mall. Ayan. May map. Kung saan ka papunta. Ayan, construction. Ang daming construction sa paligid. Oh, lamig. Ayan na yung bus. Saan kaya papunta yun? Hindi. State Street tayo. Dito tayo. Magantay tayong bus stop. Where's the bus stop? Oo, dito sa side na to yung bus stop. Tawid tayo. That's it, guys. That's end of my Chicago adventure. I'm going home now. So we're gonna have a storm coming in around 6 p.m. Still cold here. All right. Have a good day.